Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are working on legs. I've got 4 exercises picked out for us. We're gonna be doing them all bodyweight style on the mat, so go ahead and grab your gear. Before we get started, don't forget, the April workout calendar is available, so click the link in the description box down below and sign up for your calendar. Let's get started. We're gonna start off with the lying under leg lift. So cross over your feet just like this. Lie on your side. You want to keep your body nice and straight vertically. Hand is here, propping yourself up, and we're going to lift. We're working that thigh right here, and you're going to lift your leg up as high as possible. 3 sets of 20. We're going to do all 3 sets here, and then switch legs. Let's get started.
Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt. Not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. Ooh, hey.
Getting so damn tired of getting so tired, getting so damn tired, getting so tired, getting so damn tired of. I might wake up at noon, then maybe hit snooze. Yeah, I'ma just do what I want. I don't need no approval, I'ma just do whatever I feel like. Going out.
Great job. Take a 15-second rest.
Just laying in bed.
Moving into our next exercise, we're going to be doing some explosive clam shells. So starting off, you're going to stack your legs on top of each other, bending the knee, and you're going to put your arm down for some stability, and we're going to push our legs up and open and bring them back down onto the ground for another one. 3 sets of 15. We're going to do one side first, then switch. Let's get started.
Goddamn tired of people trying to tell me how to live my life. Getting so tired, getting so damn tired of getting so tired. Getting so tired, getting so damn tired of people trying to tell me how to live my life. Getting so tired, getting so damn tired of getting so tired. Getting so tired, getting so damn tired of people trying to tell me how to live my life. Don't care about your opinion, none of your business what I be doing. Why do you even bother making up problems? I don't got time for that, no. Could you please just back away? Leave me alone, get out of my face. Don't
10-second rest.
None of your business what I be doing now. I'm so goddamn tired of people trying to tell me how to live my life. I'm getting so sick of people trying to tell me what's wrong or right. Losing my patience, I don't care about what you think. No, I'm so goddamn tired of people trying to tell me how to live my life. Getting so tired, getting so damn tired of getting so tired. Getting so tired, getting so damn tired of people trying to tell me how to live my life. Getting so tired, getting so damn tired of getting so tired. Getting so tired, getting so damn tired of people trying to tell me how to live my life. Don't try to tell me how to live my life. I do what I want, and there's nothing you can do about it. Getting so tired, getting so damn tired of getting so tired. Getting so tired, getting so damn tired of people trying to tell me how to live my life. Getting so tired, getting so damn tired of getting so tired. Getting so tired, getting so damn tired of people trying to tell me how to live my life.
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected. It's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated. Sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. Space. You send me right out into space. Space. Right into space. I'm not the kind of person who is sentimental, but this thing is making me soft, giving into my damn heart. It feels like I am losing my grip, going crazy, 'cause this doesn't make any sense. You're broken down all my defenses. No way back to the old me when I'm stuck here on planet X. I'll become the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. 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 You send me right out into space. Space. Right into space. My head tells me to stop, but there is nothing I can do. No. When I'm with you, I lose myself. I feel good.
Great job. Give yourself 15 seconds to rest. Next, we're gonna be doing some laying heel taps. Go ahead and lay on your back. Bring your legs up. You wanna keep them away from your body. Try not to let them come in. So here is good. And we're going to extend and tap.
You send me right.
Just like that, keeping the legs nice and tight in your core, lower ab area here. We're gonna do 20. Let's get started.
You send me right. You will never understand what I went through. You never were a good listener. A good listener. You will never understand what you put me through, and you never be a good lover. A good lover. At first I believed I was
10 seconds.
You think you can talk sense to me, like we are gonna be okay. We're not okay, so is this gonna take all night? Don't wanna waste no more time, yeah, you're damn right. Already gave.
Keep your toes pointing towards the ceiling.
But now I'm fed up, gonna take it all back, 'cause we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along for guidance, shadow. Better get it right this time around, yeah, we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so live along for guidance, shadow. Better get it right.
Moving into set 3, here we go, last set. 20 here.
I never heard a silence so loud before. I'm gonna love every minute of it, every second of it. Longing for that sound of you being gone, so I can hear my thoughts again, hear my thoughts again. So is this gonna take all night? Don't wanna waste no more time, yeah, you're damn right. Already gave you my loved ones.
Great job. Give yourself 15 seconds. Our last exercise is going to be here on the mat. We're going to be doing a glute bridge, holding the bridge at the top, keeping that booty flexed, core is nice and tight, back is straight, and you're going to step out. So the goal here is to not let the lower body fall like this. And you see how I have this fall, this is uneven now. You want to keep it up here. Straight line, and you want to step out without letting your body in the middle fall. Your leg will lower, yes, but you want to keep this area nice and straight. Perfect. 3 sets of 20, let's get started. And no cheating, don't you dare put your hands underneath your waist.
Stuck in the middle of coming inside and walking.
10 seconds.
Just stay for a little. You say as you close the door behind me, look in the mirror, hearing you whisper in my ear. Say, are you a sinner or a beginner? Yeah, let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka cola light. In situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows your white lies, white scars, warm nights, dive bars, burning me up, you're burning me up. Yeah, playing the Beatles. You got my high school t-shirt on, it's looking so easy. You're killing my headphones with that song. The way that you're laughing, in your bed, I know what you're after. Yeah, I know what you're after. Let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka cola light. And put myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows your white lies, white scars, warm nights, dive bars, burning me up, you're burning me up.
All right, guys, that is leg day today. I hope you enjoyed this workout session. If you did, hit that like button. Don't forget, click subscribe and turn on your notifications to train with me every day. Sign up for the April calendar. Click the link in the description box down below. And as always, guys, do a cool down. I'll leave a lower body cool down here, and I'll see you guys there. Bye.
Let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka cola light.